This is how to delete your TikTok from your Android phone. So let's get into it and delete it by using two methods. The first thing that you need to do is to simply open your Android settings, and here in your settings simply click on apps management or the apps manager and then click on app settings. Alright, here you have to just search for TikTok, and once you find it you have to just click on it. So at this interface, simply click on the force stop option in the bottom right and then click OK. It will log out from your TikTok account. So once you're done, you have to just simply click on the uninstall option at the bottom middle. So once you click on the uninstall, you have to just allow the permission to uninstall it. Just press OK, and right after that your TikTok will be removed from your Android phone. And the second method is to simply tap and hold on your TikTok app and then click on uninstall option here and then click OK. Right after that your TikTok will be removed or deleted from your Android phone successfully. And that's all for this video. I hope this video makes a big sense for you. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel.